Oh, he's such a good boy.
Yeah, you excited? Hoping no humping.
There's the coach. There's the referee. There's the referee. Oh, look at those two.
They're in love.
I tell you, when we used to go for walks, I stopped because she wouldn't go by your house. She would just stand there and watch Miles.
He just wanted to play all this time.
Well, she gets up. Well, now the chairs are thrown out, but she used to get up on the recliner and just sit there and watch him through the window.
He's the only
He was
thing she
watching.
barked at.
He was watching her, and she was watching him.
It was love from a distance, not love at first sight.
Look at it. Look at him.
No bite, Toby. Good girl. Kind of.
It's so cute. Look at him. I'm so happy. He's such a good boy now.
And he can learn some social skills.
Katie. Katie.
Yeah.
He got much better even from the last time when you were doing that training with him. You can tell that you learned.
Yeah, outside it goes out the window. In the house, I think it's fine better.